Is your upstairs fire alarm constantly going off? Steam from showers and cooking can condense on sensors, mimicking smoke. Heat from vents can also trigger sensors, acting like smoke. Interlink faults occur when one alarm's low battery or wiring issue triggers all linked units. Address steam and heat by relocating alarms at least 10 feet from kitchens and bathrooms. Ensure proper ventilation to prevent condensation. For interlink issues, inspect each alarm's battery and wiring, consulting a professional if needed. Smart alarms with AI can distinguish between steam and smoke, reducing false positives by up to 40%. Consider upgrading for fewer interruptions. To reset a false alarm, press and hold the Test Silence button for 10 to 15 seconds. For smart models, use the app to reset remotely. Power cycling may also be required if the button method doesn't work. Prevent future alarms by testing your alarms monthly and replacing them every 10 years, as recommended by the NFPA. Check the manufacture date on the back to know when to replace. Consider photoelectric sensors, which are less sensitive to steam than ionization models. Use photoelectric sensors, especially near kitchens, to reduce false alarms from cooking steam. Keep alarms clean and dust-free to prevent particle buildup. Wipe the exterior and dust the interior regularly. Follow proper cleaning procedures to maintain sensor accuracy. Remember to check for obstructions and ensure your alarms meet UL standards. Strategic placement away from steam sources and proactive maintenance are key to minimizing false alarms and ensuring reliable emergency response.